How to change league name on Fantasy Premier League. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change league name on FPL. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So open up your Fantasy Premier League first. After you do that, you will be on the homepage here. You will need to head over to your fantasy section. After you're on the fantasy section, you will need to navigate to your team details section. So for that, you will need to head over to your team name here on the top. There you will see, tap on it. And after you tap on that, you can then scroll down all the way, just let it load. Then scroll down all the way, then you'll find the admin section on the bottom. So there, head over to team details. So let's head over to team details, and under team details, you'll find the name of your league or club, or basically your club. So just change it to whatever you want, tap on done, and tap on update details. After that, you're good to go, and that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.